I request Mr. Hari Narayan, Manager of Systems and Sales Marketing, Yokogawa, India, kindly to join us. Along with him, Mr. Pavan Deshmukh, Executive Manager, System Sales and Marketing, Yokogawa, India.
Good afternoon, all. Here I am going to present the technologies for solutions what Yokogawa is offering for smart water management. Before that, this is the agenda. We will go through this. I just want to brief you about Yokogawa. Yokogawa is a Japanese organization which was founded in 1915, Yokogawa Electric Corporation in Japan. And we are expanded our global business network. We are working 10 offices in Japan and 104 offices outside Japan. So you can see our presence worldwide. So we have our regional and affiliate companies spread across the world. So this is overview. We have started Yokogawa business in India in 1987. So till we completed 37 years. And since we incorporation from 1987, our major stake into the oil and gas sector, and of late we started in the water. As you see, we had supplied 2,000 plus automation and safety systems, 5 lakh plus measuring instruments, and 8,000 plus analytical instruments. This is our journey. We started in 1987 with a joint venture with the state government of Karnataka. Kionix was the company, and with them we started. And later, in 1992, we become a Yokogawa Blue Star company. And in 2004, we are 100% subsidized company, independent company, Yokogawa India Limited, and Yokogawa Electric Corporation is holding the company. If you see the post-pandemic, global pandemic, we had started expanding our business. We had established our offices in Bangladesh, established Yokogawa Digital Corporation, acquisition of a PICE, and acquisition of a Dublix company. Now in 2024, we recently acquired Adapt Fluidine company. This is under, again, Make in India concept. We are bringing flow meter manufacturing in India. So all range of Yokogawa flow meters in near future, we will be manufacturing here in India. Now this is just our factory premises in Bangalore. Bangalore is a headquarter for South Asia, this thing. We are a headquarter for Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and India, except Pakistan. This is our factory premises where we are staging the DCS cabinets and all manufacturing. So this is in Bangalore. We had ISO certified companies. Now, just want to understand what is a driving force for water management. See, if you see the Worldwide Fund Nature WWF report, it forecasts 30 Indian cities are going to face a water problem in next 10 years time. And the water deficiency, which is going to be a 277 billion cubic meter by 2050. If you see the major cities like Jaipur, Indore, Amritsar, Bangalore, Kolkata, Srinagar, Mumbai, and Visakhapatnam are some of the cities which I would like to mention that they are going to face a water scarcity in near future. So now what is the problem? The future of India's environment in the cities, because we are developing countries and our urbanization is developing. And that is the reason our growth for sustainability is very important for urbanization, development, and to become a third largest economy in the country. You can see the graph where the water demand is rapidly increasing, and by 2027, our water balance is going to be negative. So that is the reason we have to be very precautious where we can maintain this requirement. Now, what is the problem in the water segment? The one is that we wanted a equitable, good quality water to be supplied for all the urban citizens as well as the rural citizens. Then turn water losses to gains. That is what we every now and then we listen, non-revenue water. Basically, the water which is we are supplying for potable drinking applications and all, that need to be accounted, and we have to improve the financial sustainability for water sector through tariff reforms. In earlier session, we heard from our speaker that we are considering water is a free substance or free commodity. But now this mindset has to come to the people that to get a good quality of water or fresh water, we have to do some payment for that. We have to pay for a good quality, and that is what. And moreover, whatever the wastewater management or the recycle applications we are going to do, what are the quality of that discharge, whether we are discharging it to the river or sea, or we are recycling that, the quality one should monitor it, and for that also we require an advanced solution. Now, what solutions we are giving? Yokogawa is giving a solution start from the water treatment, water distribution, wastewater treatment, industrial water or pipeline distribution, and for the desalination segments. So this is what we are having a presence in this. So starting from the desalination to make it a potable water, water transportation is there, though it is a water treatment. Everywhere Yokogawa is having a solution, and we offer that solution. And on top of that, there are some advanced solutions like asset management, plant security management, water loss management, operator training, water security, water demand forecast, water quality management, and energy management. So why Yokogawa one-stop solution? If you see, Yokogawa is not only the manufacturer for the level 1, level 2 and level 3, but also Yokogawa do the system integration, and that is a key advantage for any customer or the water managing agencies, because we are not only the manufacturing the level 1, that is a field instruments, though it is a flow meters, pressure transmitter, level transmitter, temperature analyzer, field wireless or camera. So, and level 2, which is going to fit into your control room or the centralized SCADA control room, all kind of a DCS related hardware, software, SCADA related, safety system, data acquisition and power monitoring. On top of that, when it comes to the management and operation support, we have an enterprise management, energy performance optimization, operation system, alarm analysis, historian, asset management and cyber security. Now, these are the very important factors. On top of that, nowadays we are talking artificial intelligence, digital twin, and to have those things, I think the basic route where this management starts from the field, that needs to be very prioritized and it should be installed base. Now, CI servers, collaborative information servers, this is one solution Yokogawa brings in, and this fits into the heart of the system. This is compatible with third-party systems also. For that, it is not required that you should have only Yokogawa product or Yokogawa system. It can be compatible with third-party PLCs. It can be having a remote operation center, whether it is an integrated operation room or the central control room. If anything it is there, it can fit into the heart of the system and you can easily manage and operate the system. Also, nowadays we are talking about more on the IT/OT integration. For that IT/OT integration also, collaborative information server, CI server is best suitable product from Yokogawa. Now, Make in India initiative, as we see in most of the tenders and the RFPs, the local content is very essential. The local manufacturing is important. And as our PM also mentions that you should be vocal for local, and Make in India initiative, we had started from March 2016, the manufacturing and assembly of transmitters in Bangalore. Under this segment, again, this year we have acquired Adapt Fluidine company, and we are planning to have all range of flow meters manufactured here in India. On top of this, the cyber security. Cyber security is one of the important thing when we are talking about the internet-based things or this thing, where it becomes very important that your system, your management, your assets, what you are going to manage, it should be foolproof and it should be secure. And for that, cyber security is there. Nowadays, we consider some hacking of the systems or the websites and all. So in that content also, when you are using the advanced solutions which are IT/OT enabled, and when it is connected to the internet, there is always a possibility that some cyber security threats may arise. And for that also, we are having a wide range of cyber security this thing. We have a Oprex IT/OT, this one, the SOC we have, and we are using this machine learning through artificial intelligence. So this is one we have. Again, Yokogawa, just want to brief about the success stories. If you see the major water projects which are execution and under execution and completed, we are managing now Kanpur Smart City, Tumkuru 24/7 in Karnataka, Satna Smart City, Prayagraj Smart City in Uttar Pradesh, and Karnal Integrated Water Utility Management System, and SCADA for various WTP in Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir. If you see everywhere the management of the WTP plant and distribution network, bulk distribution, which is the key concern, and we are managing under these smart city missions. On top of that, under this national hydrology projects, where dam automation and canal automation. Okay, nowadays we are just talking about the distribution network of the water, but we are not talking about the source management. The source management, because India is a country where you are getting only 3 to 4 months monsoon, and monsoon is the only source for India where you are getting the water, and you have to manage whatever you are getting water in that 3 to 4 months. You have to manage that water for entire year, and that is not only for your industrial application, for your potable drinking application, but also for your irrigation purpose, because the farming sector or the agriculture sector, which is a backbone for Indian economy, and for that this is very important. Now here we are managing some of the dam automation, canal automations under this national hydrology projects. So we are managing almost 12 to 13 dam and canal automations under this national hydrology project. These are some of the global desalination project reference map. Now, because of the water scarcity, now we are looking at sea as a source to meet our potable water requirement, and that's how this desalination project comes in picture. So we had 100+ projects which we have globally installed base. These are some of the pictures of these seawater desalination. Now this is the success story of Japan. In earlier segment, one of our speaker told that Japan is having only 2% NRW. Now you can see these Japan is managing almost, Yokogawa had done 380+ DCS projects in Japan itself for water supply. So they are using this advanced technology for managing the water distribution and water management. Now I just want to take you the typical case study what Yokogawa done in India. The Prayagraj Smart City Integrated Water Distribution Management System. This is what we started doing this project. And this is a very interesting project because you have their WTPs where some of the part surface water is getting used, and some tube wells. Tube well automation is also part of that. So here SCADA system, RTU and CI server is there, HMI, RT hardware, flow meters, pressure transmitters, all other field instruments which are in our portfolio. Now see, here we are deploying the centralized SCADA systems. Now this is the beauty of our system where you can integrate our system with existing SCADA, RTU and PLC. Because most of the time what happens, the compatibility of the existing system is a key factor when you go for an upgradation or the improvement in the system. So here you see there is some of the ZPS, they are having already existing SCADA, RTU, PLC, and we are doing that, we are integrating to the centralized SCADA. And also ICCC integration, Integrated Command Control Center, which is a key factor. So that is also possible with our system. Now you see the tube wells and OHTs, ELSR, overhead tanks or the elevated level storage reservoirs. That also automation and everything we are managing. Smart energy meters, RTUs, then intake well management, WTP management and distribution network. This is our solution what we have offered. If you see, there are 3 WTPs which are managed. Then you have a OHTs, there are 47 OHTs which are spread with different zones, 5 zones, and there are 2 different source. It is taken care, and all the datas are connected to the IWDMS and it is integrated with ICCC. This is what the solutions. What are the automation areas? We had done automation of 4 intake wells from Yamuna River, 3 WTPs, 47 OHTs, 67 existing tube wells and 25 new tube wells, 185 existing tube wells and feeder line. Now, what are the solutions we have provided? We have given us SCADA solutions with the help of PLCs, RTUs, intelligent water distribution management system, wall actuators, energy meter, asset life cycle management, electromagnetic flow meter, quality analyzers, IT infrastructures and communication, and mobile application as well. Now the integration essentials, what is there? We have taken all these taken into consideration of the existing GIS application, sensors, actuators, automatic valves, and RTU PLC. Now what are the target benefits? The objective of this project was to give the equitable water distribution to the different zones that is there. They wanted a better control mechanism and forecasting and the management and decision support. How to manage the different zones with the water supply, that is also there, and enhanced network monitoring and real-time monitoring of water quality. These are the some of the advantages we are delivering with the help of this project. That's all from Yokogawa. Thank you.